Hey guys, Dave the Shoe Man here coming at you with another shoe review video. Today we've got a shoe that came in today. It's a boot that came in, and we're gonna go over that. But before we get started, as always, I want to say thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for helping me grow this channel from the ground up. Could not appreciate you more. All of your likes, comments, subscribing, and just your general interaction with the channel really does help out. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Shoe Man. I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if men's fashion brought you here to this channel, maybe you want to check out Dave the Watchman on YouTube, where I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to what you have on your wrist as well. So if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more shoes and footwear related videos. And if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, head on over to Dave the Watchman, where you can become a subscriber of both channels, Dave the Shoe Man and Dave the Watchman, and that would be very much appreciated. Now, I will be pairing one of these lovely watches with the boots that I am reviewing today. So maybe if you want, you can try and guess which watch I will actually pick to pair up with these boots, but definitely stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see which watch I do pair up with these boots. So without further ado, let's get in and check out this shoe. And today we have a shoe from Bruno Marc. It's a very, very budget-friendly shoe that you can find on Amazon.com. I will be posting a link to it in the description below. I will also post a link to the watch that I do pair with these boots in the description below. That is an affiliate link, so it does send a couple of dollars over to me if you do decide to use that affiliate link. Even though I am not sponsored by Bruno Marc, it does send a small commission over to me if you decide to purchase. And that is very much appreciated. So without further ado, let's open up this box and check these boots out today. So they are very well packaged. Comes with a, looks like a size chart. The size I purchased was 10.5. That is my size, and let's just check these out. They looked really, really nice online, but let's see these things. Okay, so, all right, so what we have here are the Bruno Marc. They are called the CHUKKA boots. That's CHUKKA boots. CHUKKA boots 2.0. They're kind of like a Chelsea boot, a little bit, I'd say a little bit shorter than a Chelsea boot, but this one is the all suede version of the boot. Looks like it has a very nice gripping sole underneath. And then let's see what it's got for an insole in here. So this is a casual suede, like I said, the Bruno Marc CHUKKA casual suede boot. And that's a very, very, looks like a very comfortable insole on this thing. I have not tried these things on as I just opened up the package right now. But definitely really, really nice, breathable sole. It looks like it's got some ventilation holes in it. Really, really nice. Very, very comfortably soft. Not too thick, but not too thin. Really nice sole, insole on these things. Very nice stitching around the rubber outsole and heel. Really, really nice upper. Very, very nice suede feel to these things. Now, the good thing about these, they're available in many different colors. So you got a versatile color palette as far as these are concerned, as well as being available in both suede and the polished look. They're available in black, brown, light brown, really light brown, gray, and you've got the black with the suede, and you've also got the black polished look, and then they've also got a brown with the brown polished look. So you've got a bunch of different options to choose from. And guys, these are on sale right now on Amazon for a limited time for a really, really great price. So I would definitely click on that link and head on over if you really do like these boots. They are a 4.5 star rating on over 5,000 reviews, and the reviews mention appearance, comfort, fit, and value for the money. So if these things are a value for the money at their regular price, can you imagine what kind of a value you get for the discounted limited time price that's going on right now for $37. These are regularly priced at $53. Can you just imagine what kind of a deal these boots are if everybody's saying that they are a value for the money at 53 bucks? Very, very nice boots. With the breathable insole, the pull tab on the rear, durable heel and outsole with the, it looks like a non-slip rubber sole. Very nice boot to go out with. They look great with a pair of jeans, pair of blue jeans, dark blue jeans, even a light pair of blue jeans with this color, or just any dress pant, really. Very nice, very good quality boot. If you've had any Bruno Marc shoes before, then you know they are great shoes for the money. They are a good quality. You get a lot of shoe for the money on these things, and they're really, really nice. So if you are looking for a really nice pair of shoes, it's going to go really well with anything you wear out. Then definitely head on over to Amazon using that affiliate link and check out these Bruno Marc CHUKKA boots. They are very, very nice. And now I'm going to pair it with one of these watches. Were you able to guess which one that I was going to use to pair it with? I chose the Pagani design. I think this watch is very, very nice, and it really does match these boots well. So once again, many different colors and styles, but I think this watch is the best watch to match these boots. If you disagree, let me know. Tell me which watch you think goes best with these boots. But I think this Pagani design is a really, really nice watch. I will post a link to this in the description below. I will also post a link to the review I did of this watch in the description below. So if you do like the watch and you do like the boots, you can actually head on over and pick them both up. But either way, very nice boots, very nice Pagani design watch. Beautiful watch and boot combo. Can't go wrong with these Bruno Marcs, and you can definitely not go wrong with these Pagani design watches. So with that said, I am Dave the Shoe Man. I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more shoes and footwear related videos. And if men's fashion is what brought you to this channel, then definitely check out Dave the Watchman on YouTube, where I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to what you wear on your wrist. So if you do like that concept, maybe become a subscriber of both channels. Give me thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and ring those bells for the notifications so you can be notified of all the new shoes and watch videos that I do come out with. And I will see you on the next shoe review video. Unless you're over on the other side, then I will see you all in the next watch review video. Thank you guys all so much, and have a great day.